Well, we've just got all this stuff into the caravan apart from the wood, and we covered that up with a tarp. It's just started snowing and now it's gone to sleet, so the others are shot into their van. I don't blame them. Yeah, it looks better over there. Austin kindly put my seat back in the van for me. My seat out because it was nice and sunny earlier. So I've just brought my little power station in from Barney's tower, and I've got a plug underneath there, which goes into Nina's, straight to Nina's solar, but we've only got 21 watts going in at the moment, so obviously there's no sun, but the blue sky's coming up there, so yeah, I'm gonna make myself a drink, I think.
Need a base. I need a constant.
Anyway.
Banana.
Right, you are. We've got to make a song out of it. Everybody's got to add a bit to it then. What's this one?
So I'm just cooking tea. You can see I've got the oven on, and I'm just doing some gastro chips and a pasty. I wrap my pasty in foil because I don't like it going crispy. I like it to be sort of softer. So yeah, so we've got about 20 minutes to wait for that. So I think I'm gonna watch a bit of TV while that's going on, and yeah, so I've got a little bit of quiet time, a little bit of downtime, and some peace from the constant chatter. I do love it, but yeah, sometimes you just want a bit of quiet time, like we're gonna get now. So I'm gonna enjoy my tea, and I might switch on again later. I think we're gonna play a ball game, so I might record a little bit of that. So if I do, you'll see it now probably. There we go, that's tea tonight. Some triple cooked gastro chips, I think they are, from McCain's, and corn, what was it? Peppered beef, corn peppered beef pasty. So it's vegetarian. So I'm going to enjoy that now, and I will see you in a bit.
And some relief for Manchester United. Well, Wesley Fofana made a scoring return to the team in red 2 weeks ago with a very similar kind of carefully directed header, his first appearance since his broken leg, and he had like a bad ankle ligament injury in that pre-season game at the start of August. He is such a bright spark and so dear to Leicester City fans, and they were so delighted to see him back with a goal in France. He almost got another at Old Trafford there.
It's a shame we can't cast this.
I prefer the machine gun actually. Well, I don't know though.
Whoa!
You tend to waste more, I think, don't you?
Yeah.
And you, yeah.
This is Rick playing Medal of Honor in VR in Nina.
Don't they sort of teach you to go like that, don't they? Like on, off, like that, like doing single shots.
Oh,
I don't. I just keep the trigger down until it's all gone. I just keep the trigger down until it's all gone.
Yeah.
So let's do easy, play round. So it should be going dark and then different place.
No. Oh, I got me.
That's it.
Club thingy.
Right, so I'm going to go first. So if you want to get to where your ball is, you press the trigger, or where the next ball is. If you do that now, you'll stand right next to me probably. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
So it's my go now. So this is quite an easy one, supposedly. It's a bit harder for me, so I'm sitting down with Ellie beneath me.
Hey. Oh, it's quite good actually, isn't it? It's still blurry for me. I think I probably need glasses on.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, they're never 100% in focus with me. Anyway, it's just my eyes, I think.
There we go. So if you
Look,
step,
when my go-
oh,
no, I got
we
the
call
wrong
that
way.
polo, right?
Ah,
Yeah. Keep your club in the air when you're moving around,
oh,
and then
is that mine over there? Or is that yours?
oops.
Oh, it keeps switching
Oh,
itself off. Oh, mine does
head's
that.
in the way. Ellie,
Where's? Oh.
Els. Stop nudging my. Go on.
Where's
lay
my
down,
ball
lay down,
then?
lay down,
I've lost
lay down.
it.
No,
The
no,
idea,
you'll
innit?
be at the start again. It's my go now because you
Oh,
did a
okay.
foul. You did a foul shot. Ellie, lay down, lay down. Good girl. Good girl. You stay there. Stay. Yeah. There we go. I didn't get it either. Right, you'll go again.
Hey.
You'll probably find it easier if you stand up and bend down like you would normally, but it's up to you. Oh, well done.
Hey.
That was a good
Ooh,
one.
Bargain.
You got the weight just right for that.
The funny thing is, I used to play this with my mate when I was a kid. When we were kids, we used to go and play mini golf down Portshead.
Brilliant. Yeah.
We used to go down on the
If you
weekend.
press your trigger, you'll be next to your ball. There you go.
Yeah. Ooh.
Excellent. You got it straight away, Ost. Brilliant. Right, so just press your trigger and you'll go to the next hole. And you're first because did you win the hole? Oh, no, it's me. Eddie,
Yeah,
what are you
balls are
doing?
different, aren't they?
Right. Oops.
I remember I nearly got a broken nose when I was a kid. Because my mate smacked me in the face with with a golf club.
Ooh.
He swung it round as I was about to go take my
Yeah.
shot, and I got smacked in the face with it.
Yeah.
Might go. Where's the old
Over
one?
there.
Yeah.
Excellent. You did exactly the same as me.
You'll have to send me a link to this, and I'll have to see if I can get this on. To got it. Where am I?
So this is what we all play, and we just have such a good laugh.
Oh.
We just have such a good laugh, don't we, Rick? Yeah. It's got good scenery as well. I like the scenery. You'll go again, Ost. I've putted. Careful you don't hit it. Oh, you're doing it that way. Oh, well done. He's a natural, Rick. I'm recording this. I'll show it you later. He's a natural.
So that practice as a child.
Yeah. So this one, you
I mean, my mate used to
press
play
the
it.
trigger. You've got to hit that board pretty much, and it'll bounce
Oh right.
towards
Oh,
the hole.
don't. Yeah. All right.
Oh, bit hard.
Oi!
Okay, do you want another battery? I got a battery here. All right, no worries.
Ooh.
I can't believe how quickly you picked up doing the weight of the ball. Excellent.
Yes, very good.
Perfect at this.
Very realistic.
You've never
isn't
played
it?
this before?
No, never. No, the way they've calibrated the joysticks,
brilliant,
and
yeah,
everything,
it is
it's really
good.
good because it makes it feel really realistic. So they've obviously done a lot of whatever
Yeah.
they've done. Yeah, because the way when we got the jitters and it's shaking, it shakes exactly right, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's very good. Oh, bad luck.
Oh,
Bad luck. When you come up against a brick or a wall or anything, you should still see an outline of your club behind in the wall. Excellent. You're really good at this, Off. Hi guys. Right, I just filmed a little bit of Rick playing the Oculus, a bit of Medal of Honor, and I've just shown you a clip of me and Austin playing golf. Although you'll see him as Rick in the clip because he was using Rick's account. So Yeah, all good stuff. That was first time Austin had played, and he played the full 18 holes, and I think he had a +7, so 7 over par, which is brilliant for someone who's never ever played it before. And he doesn't really do VR either, so yeah, he was really good at it. He got the weight of the swing and everything perfect right from the off. Yes, they've just gone back to their vans now, and I think they're going to be off fairly early, so I'll probably say hello in the morning, and I'll to you guys, and then we'll say goodbye to them, and they'll be off. I'm staying down here because we've got to burn all the stuff that was in the... Sorry, just watching the battery there, it's getting quite low. We've got to burn all the stuff that we took out of the caravan today, so we're having a big bonfire. Hopefully, if the weather's either not too bad or not too nice. If it's too nice, then people have their windows and things open, and we don't really want to be causing a lot of smoke for that. So yeah, so I'm just gonna probably sit and relax now and watch something, have another drink, and then think about going to bed. I've got my power station fully charged again. That's down there ready to plug the blanket into, and I should do that in a minute, and have me drink and go. Oh, I was going to show you this actually. Just move my bin out of the way. For Christmas, Joe ordered me this. Is what he's painted in VR, and he's had it printed onto a canvas, and it's brilliant. So have a look at that. See if I can get you in closer. Hang on. There we go. It's kind of a nice scene of trees and stuff, but in like a wide angle perspective. He's painted it. It's really good. Got the clouds and the stars in the sky and everything. Yeah, so I put that up on there, and this was painted by our niece, and she's going to do me another one actually. She's going to do me a foresty, maybe green countryside sort of painting. But yeah, that's that was Lily who did that for us, as you can see down there. I love it. So I'm going to have another one to go there, and maybe another one to go on that door there at some point. So my little art gallery, all originals as well. So I've actually got my wolf ones. I could put my wolf ones up as well. Yeah, maybe have those overhead. You know, Barney too. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a drink. That's my bin there. It's one of those little pop-up laundry bins, and just stuck a black bag inside it, and it's perfect. Nice and easy to move around, and yeah, so that's the first time I've used that this time. But I've had it ages. It's been in the box in there. I keep forgetting about it. I've got my heater going at the moment, so it's nice and toasty in here. We're 19 degrees, so yeah, I don't think it's going to be too cold tonight. Not in here anyway. Outside, different story. I think it's meant to get down to -1, something like that. It was cold this morning when I woke up. Well, it's not morning yet. I've just gone to bed. I just wanted to show you, or say to you, how blooming hot this bed is. I put the blanket on there, forgot about it, and was messing around. It's been on about 2.5 hours, and it is boiling in here. I don't know what the weather's doing outside, but it is boiling in here. So yeah, lovely though. So it's going to be good for my my arm and my back. So yeah, I just want to say that. So it's like my oh, I showed you that earlier, didn't I? Yeah, picture off of Joe. I put that up today. So, right, I better go sleep. I will see you in the morning. Night, guys. Morning, guys. Oh, frosty one. It's -1 outside. It feels all frosty. for a bonfire. So I've just jumped back into bed quickly. I've got my electric blanket on. I tell you what, electric blanket in a camper van when it's -1 outside is amazing. I could just turn my diesel heater on, as you can probably hear it ticking away. It's chucking out cold air at the moment, but hopefully that'll get warm in a minute. Yeah, it looks good. It's going to be a nice sunny day, so I'll give it another half hour and then I'll get up and get dressed once this place is warm. So I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, Rick's just off. My battery's low again. Oh well. Rick's just off. Yeah. Rick's swapping out his GoPro. He's going to have something different.
Switch off. Like mine.
I'll stand over this way. Yeah, so Rick's off now. Austin's off in a little bit, aren't you?
Yeah, it won't be long. Finish me tea.
I'm staying down there because Jen's coming down in a bit and we're going to have a bonfire probably. Yeah.
Oh, another whole day down here. He's lucky, isn't he?
Yeah, yeah, especially this weather.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's it. I got another burger to make as well.
Oh.
For dinner. So yeah, so lovely to see you both.
Yes, you
have a
too,
good trip
mate.
back, mate.
Thanks for the.
I'll shake your hand as well, even though you're not going just yet.
Yeah,
I thought your arm clicked then.
Did you?
Yeah, or something. I thought a little jolt.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you want to make all sorts of noises, I do. That or a squeak.
Yeah.
So anyway, he's off. So yeah, just say goodbye, and you'll see me in a minute. No messages, nothing.
Bye. Bye, love you.
Right, so Rick's gone. Austin's still here, but he's going now.
Yeah, I'm going. Bye.
Off he goes. I've got to stay down here. We're doing this bonfire. I was going to say barbecue then. That would have been nice.
You've got to enjoy it for the rest of the day. It's such a hardship.
Yeah, well, I'm going to be chopping up a tree in a bit, so I might film a little bit of that. Yeah, so it was nice to see you, Austin.
And you, mate.
Hopefully we'll see you soon. And that golf was brilliant. I really enjoyed that. And yeah, hopefully we'll do it all again soon. And Ellie, what are you doing, Els?
Right,
bye. Right, Rick and Austin have both gone now. I'm just boiling the kettle to have another cup of coffee. I've cleaned up my chainsaw, ready to do the chop the tree up, and Jen is just leaving our house now, so she's on her way down. Also got a friend Bob coming down, although he doesn't like doing video, so you probably won't see him. We'll say hello to Jen when she comes down. Nina's batteries are all fully charged from last night. The power station is almost charged. I've got that over in Barnes Tower over there charging, because that's where the sun is mostly at the moment. I'm in the shade of the tree a little bit here, so yeah, all good stuff, all sort of almost recharged. So it's a really good system, that power station. Obviously in the winter you're going to get more problems charging it, so you'd have to be a bit more careful like you would with van batteries anyway. Obviously you're not getting the solar, but as long as you've got solar, no problem whatsoever. Excellent stuff. Right, I'm gonna have this cup of coffee, then I'm gonna go and chop some tree up, and we might see Jen in between, so I will see you in a little bit. Right, we're gonna go and do some chainsawing. When we have the bonfire, we use that middle mound. So this one we're going to flatten off at some point, and that other one's being left for butterflies. Austin emptied a box of wildflower seeds over that yesterday, so they might spring up at some point. So let's swap hands. Oh, there we go. So you can see that tree's been down a long time. This was our woodpecker tree. I've got to cut that up still. I've got all the branches off it, but this one came down back in January. So I've got to cut all these massive branches off and then just leave the trunk. So hopefully that'll all be burnt up today. So there we go, let's give it a go. look who's here. Jenny is here making a nuisance of herself. Burning paper. A stick and that. Say hello.
Hello.
So that's not our actual bonfire. Our actual bonfire is going on there in a bit. Yeah, it's a nice day. We're creating this.
Need it.
Ah,
Just needed it to catch again.
flames. Jenny's very good at fires, better than I am. And she said it was causing all that smoke because the fire was going out. Oh, look at that lane. Oops. Right, I've finished chopping a tree, so I'm going to put this down now. And I'll come back and say goodbye in a bit. Right. This is all that's left of the caravan and the tree. So, amazing how it all breaks down. There was piles and piles of stuff, and that's all that's left now. So that'll smoulder probably for a couple of days, I expect. A load of paperwork's been burnt in there, so we need to empty that before we can burn any more. And if I take you up the other end, sorry if it's a bit wobbly, this is my ZV one. It has got a little bit of stabilisation, but it's not as good as the GoPro or the iPhone. And I'm not using those because it's a little bit windy, and this has got a brilliant muff on it for audio. And nothing. Tree's gone. So that's all that's left. Obviously we couldn't mow around it when we last mowed, so the grass is still long. It took some getting out. We had to cut the roots down, and that's where it was. And that's all that's left of the tree. It's a good little chainsaw, that's a little battery Black & Decker chainsaw. You get through stuff like that slowly. Yeah. So yeah, good. It's been a good weekend. Probably going to say goodbye now actually, so once we've done that I'll pack up and trundle off home. We're hoping to do another camp in a few weeks or something, so yeah, I will probably see you then. So take care everybody, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.